Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on Chromebook. There are primarily two ways to enjoy Roblox on your Chromebook, through the dedicated Android application or directly via your web browser. The Android app often provides a smoother experience, so we'll focus on that first. Before you begin, ensure your Chromebook has a stable internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, for optimal performance and quick downloads. Let's get started. To install the Android app, open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. You can find it easily in your app launcher. Once open, use the search bar at the top to type Roblox and press Enter. Look for the official Roblox application, usually the first result, and click Install. This process typically takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, simply open the app and log in with your existing account or create a new one. If you prefer using a web browser, or if your Chromebook doesn't support Android apps, navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, log in to your account. When you select a game to play, the website might prompt you to download a small, one-time installer. This download is essential for the game to run and usually completes within 3 to 5 minutes. For the best experience, ensure your Chrome browser is updated to its latest version, providing better compatibility and security. To enhance your Roblox experience, consider a few performance tips. First, close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications running in the background to free up system resources. Second, within Roblox, navigate to the in-game settings and lower the graphics quality. This can significantly improve frame rates on less powerful Chromebooks. Finally, ensure your Chromebook's operating system is up to date and always check your internet connection for consistent speeds, ideally above 100 megabits per second for competitive play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.